Hi guys, got a little project to look at. The TV remote. Some of the buttons aren't working. Number 3 and number 6 are intermittent. So I'm going to try the usual trick. Take it apart and use a bit of pencil lead to try and refresh the pads on the back of the buttons. I've had a look at this. I've taken the batteries out, trying to figure out how to open it. I did spend a bit of time trying to go along that seam there. Made no progress at all, and then eventually realised it's a little bit like a mobile phone. It's actually this top plate comes off. Ideally, you'd have one of those spudger things. So, spread it apart. So, we'll see if we can get it out with my favourite tool, which is not a spudger. I can hear some clicks as if it's doing the right job. We do have a replacement controller, so if I do completely destroy it, it's not the end of the world. I don't actually want to destroy it. All right, I think we've done it. A little bit grubby. This one is very, well, I say very old. Did it have a date in it? Made in Morocco. I can't tell whether that's any of those numbers are a date tag. Anyway, hopefully this shall just lift off. There we go. And if I rub the back of these, oh, there's actually liquid there. Somebody spilt their coffee on it or something. Don't know if that's showing up on there. Yeah, that one looks like it's got a little puddle on it. Well, I'll try and clean that. That might do it. Because what you'd normally try and do, or you see people doing in videos, is rubbing it with a bit of pencil lead to get some graphite on the back of those tags there. I'll see if I can clean it with a wet wipe or something. I expect somebody will say a wet wipe's the worst thing to use or something like that. Probably find it wipes the carbon off the backs. But there's one way to find out, isn't there? That does look very much like somebody had spilt their coffee on it. I couldn't possibly say who that might have been. Let's just say that I don't watch television and I don't use the remote control because I'm always on my computer doing YouTube stuff. It is all pretty filthy in there. I'll edit some of this out. You don't need to see me cleaning all the buttons, all the button holes, but they are full of dirt. What I'll do is, when I've just done this general cleaning, I'll put it back together and I'll test it. And if that's all I needed to do, I won't mess about trying to run the carbon over the back. I did watch quite a few videos on fixing remote controls. Quite a few of them, they look to me like, well, I think they were just lying. There's quite a few, a little bit like free energy ones. They were just junk, telling you how to fix your remote, and I can't see any way that what they were telling you to do was going to fix the remote. It's like magic. There's one that was rubber, a ball of silver foil over them, and that would fix it. Because silver foil rolled up in a ball has magic properties. There are some junk videos on YouTube. I mean, I'm not saying mine are wonderful, but at least they're genuine. I'm not trying to do junk videos for the sake of views. Stop whinging, Grandad. It does get frustrating, though, when you see some of the rubbish. Some of the rubbish that gets the millions of views. This cleaning has nothing to do with fixing it. It's just there's such an embarrassing amount of rubbish in there. Dirt. I thought I'd have to clean it up. I don't remember how old that television is. I could probably guess. I think we bought it when we moved into this house, which was either 2008 or 2009. So if you can work that out, it's 2023 now. Bought it 2008, 2009. 9 from 23. 14 years old. Maybe. I'm sure somebody will tell me this is the worst thing you can do. Cleaning it with a wet wipe. Yeah, these are all filthy. But it's not, the dirt on this side isn't the problem. It does look to me like somebody had spilt their tea or coffee over it. Yeah. Okay. It's back together, and at least we know how to take it apart. See if that makes any difference. If it doesn't, then we'll have to look at trying to put some carbon on the back of the contacts. Well, that appears to have been a complete success. Didn't need to put any pencil lead on there, carbon. The buttons all seem to be working. I'm having to be a bit careful to demonstrate this because we're in the bedroom and Nanny is fast asleep because it's just gone midnight. So I'm having to do a voiceover afterwards. Anyway, that worked. At least I know how to take it apart, and I could put carbon on there if I need to, but I think it looks like somebody had spilt their tea on it. And I've cleaned that off. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.